चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Yes, Modi 3.0 cabinet that assumes office in the national capital today. And while we've been getting you pictures since this morning of the cabinet ministers who are taking charge, these are the latest pictures of Amit Shah, who once again continues a second term as Union Home Minister. Pictures on your screens of Amit Shah, who is taking charge, continuing a second term as Union Home Minister. Important men of Team Modi who have been retained for the same posts, and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who does continue a second term as he assumed office in the national capital today. Remember, key portfolios of home, defense, finance and external affairs that have been retained by the BJP, and in fact all these four ministers continuing a second term. Those are the latest visuals of Amit Shah, who continues not just in Modi Cabinet 3.0 but also assumes charge in a second term as Union Home Minister of India. And we now cut across to more breaking news coming in from Andhra Pradesh this time after the mega NDA allies meet just a short while ago. Chandrababu Naidu, who has been elected as the Chief Minister by the NDA, we are learning that all the three-party delegations will meet the Andhra governor to show strength to claim stake to form the government. TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu, who has been declared as the CM-elect for Andhra Pradesh by the NDA allies. In fact, as Republic was the first channel to tell you that he will be sworn in as Chief Minister tomorrow. And if sources are to be believed, then the developments are to take place as fast as that. Let me cut across to Aneri, who joins us on the broadcast to give us further details on the same. Aneri, very good afternoon to you. Chandrababu Naidu unanimously chosen to be the next Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Do take us through that development and when he'll be sworn in.
Well, that's right, Suesha. What we are seeing right now is that the NDA meeting, which was underway, where all the MLAs of the NDA were a part of that meeting, including the top leaders of all the three parties, the BJP State President Purandeshwari, Jansena Chief Pawan Kalyan, TDP Chief N. Chandrababu Naidu, and all the three parties have now come to a decision and anonymously elected Chandrababu Naidu as the next Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. And also where we are seeing that now all the three-party delegation have moved to the governor to stake claim to form the new government in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Remember, tomorrow is the day when the oath-taking ceremony is going to take place of the TDP chief and Chandrababu Naidu and also the cabinet ministers. But what will be the equation still remains to be a larger question. But what we are seeing right now is that we are having an MLA. We'll just try and get a word from him as well. Sir, we have Suesha, what we are seeing is that clearly the clear mandate given by the people of Andhra Pradesh to the NDA government, where TDP has won with a huge landslide victory, and also at the same time, well, we have with us Raghunam Krishnarajan, TDP MLA. Sir, you were a part of the NDA meeting which just happened. What's the decision taken, and what would be the numbers? Which party would be getting how many cabinet?
No discussion on which party, how many cabinet berths. No discussion. Our new incumbent chief minister has advised all MLAs that don't think that we have been given power by the people. People are they bestowed big responsibility on our heads. So we will have to act with utmost humility, and we have to mingle with people, we have to respect people. This is the only message, and even for his, when he is moving on the road, keep 1 minute gap. Don't trouble the, because earlier when the Chief Minister Jagan, when he was even traveling on chopper also, they used to block the traffic on the roads. Tree cutting, nothing will be there.
But now what we are seeing is that NDA, all the leaders have anonymously elected Chandrababu Naidu as Chief Minister.
Yes, all have unanimously elected him, and there is standing ovation for almost 4-5 minutes by all party MLAs when his name got proposed. And individually, Pawan Kalyanji also proposed, Purandareswari Madam also proposed. And
Also, when we talk about the central government, TDP has got 2 cabinet berths, one being the minister and one MOS. Are you happy with it, or you are still looking for one more ministry first?
no. If there is expansion again, I think naturally we will get it.
Because TDP is the largest party in the NDA right now.
Yes.
So you are looking forward for any more posts?
Naturally we look forward, no?
Right.
Even if you are in my place, you would also look forward.
So that was Raghuram Krishnarajan speaking to us on Republic TV, says that anonymously Chandrababu Naidu has now been elected as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and well, that was proposed by Pawan Kalyan and the BJP State President Purandeshwari as well. So now, as you can see, all the 3 party leaders have gone to the governor to stake claim to form the government here in the state of Andhra Pradesh, as oath-taking ceremony of Chandrababu Naidu will be taking place tomorrow.